Today we talk about how can you select grading systems on your School Planner app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your School Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on advanced here. When you just click here on advanced, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you click on grading systems, you just click on it here, and here can you select here. So can you select here? So then when you click on it, you click here on select, then it's going to select with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.